We're back again with another Cendrowski Business Minute. And today we've got Catherine Raker, the tax expert from Cendrowski Corporate Advisors with us. Okay, Catherine, I'm going on a business trip and I'm going to be out of town. Is the entire trip a write-off? How much can I write off from that trip?
If you're on a business trip, you really need to look at the facts and circumstances about your trip. So if you're on a business trip and the expenses that you're incurring are ordinary and necessary, then yes, you can take that deduction. If you're on a personal trip and you add some business to it, then you have to be really careful. You could deduct the expenses that directly relate to the business portion of your trip. Additionally, in a very conservative manner, you could deduct some of the expense in your travel on how you arrived or left or got to and fro to the destination. So for example, if you were on a 10-day personal trip and within that you spent 2 days doing just pure business, no personal type activities, then I would say, well, maybe 20% of the cost of what it was to get to your destination could be an actual business expense. You want to be careful to make sure that you err on the side of conservatism with business travel.
All right, Catherine. So I'm a lawyer and I'm going to Hawaii to take a deposition. I'm going to Hawaii. I work while I'm on the plane. I take the deposition in Hawaii. I don't lay around in the sun. I get back on the plane. I go home and I work while I'm on the plane on my way home. Is that a business trip that's completely deductible?
Yeah, that sounds like you had no personal agenda in going. It was all business. I would deduct 100% of that.
All right, so now I go on the trip, I take the deposition, but then I go visit a volcano. Can I deduct the trip to the volcano, the expense for the trip to the volcano as a tax deduction?
Oh, no, I would not do that. That is a personal expense, clearly.
All right, remember what Catherine said. You want to err on the side of conservatism when it comes to business travel. This has been today's Cendrowski Business Minute with Catherine Raker. Catherine, thank you for your time and your fantastic advice.
You're welcome.